So we did a bit of gardening, of course. So this path was, there's a little bit of overgrowth on it. A little bit of a pile of stuff. So cleaned that off. These poor callistemons here couldn't be seen for that mongrel vine that grows everywhere. So we cleared that. All these grasses whose name I can't remember, but you can eat them, and they're butterfly food. Cleared all the vine off that. As you can see, there's all that crap there. So yeah, we did a big cleanup, really good cleanup. And tomorrow I'll be cleaning around this pond, getting it all sorted. Anyway, the dogs are going off. I'd better go and sort them out. Okay, have fun now.